told me you didn't notice the blue Z with the Mustang wheels in the back.
Yo, what is up YouTube? I am currently in the car on my way to Summit Point Motorsports Speedway. If you watched the last couple of videos, we've been prepping Nick's 350Z for his first day at the track. So if you haven't watched those, go watch those. We welded the diff, we installed a GK Tech angle kit. He replaced his clutch master and slave cylinder along with his line, and it's ready to go. So he's participating in a Drift 101 class today. There's a few good drifters there, kind of giving some lessons, and they get to run on the track for a little bit. And I'm super excited for Nick. This is kind of awesome, something that I've never done, something that he's never done. So I think he's gonna have a lot of fun. The Summit Point is about 45 minutes from us, where we're at, and they had Drift Week here earlier in the year where LZ and Rudnick and a bunch of bigger name guys came down and drifted. I'm excited. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and good luck, Nick. I see the Z. Looks like I see one other Z. This is awesome.
I don't know if that's gonna slow me down or not, but
Mustang wheels, dude. They're sweet looking.
they're not bad.
Somebody already had a little blowout here.
Yeah, I don't know if I could pull the studs out or the lug nuts or burp the wheel or what. I'm really curious to see if it burp the wheel. Cause I saw another video of a guy because he has stock Z wheels, and the same thing happened. He was in drifting, the wheel just like burped.
Yeah. Hopefully you can make that much smoke.
Dude, the Z does make some smoke.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Try to find that sweet spot. Okay. And just balance throttle and steer.
There we go. Here we go, Nick. Yeah, Nick! Woo!
True.
Nice!
You're
Felt
right.
good. I haven't ventured into turning right yet, man.
That's the next step. Dude, that was solid.
Heck yeah.
It seems like it doesn't really want to self-steer as much as it maybe should.
Okay.
That's something you can do in the future. But for now, like, I mean, you look like you're doing fine. I think you might be holding the wheel or chasing a little bit more than you need to. I kind of see you like reaching over. So like, you could try throwing it a little bit on entry. So like when you start the donut, with a little bit of speed, like tip the car in clutch kick. So you're basically like using momentum to get the car to spin rather than just wheel speed. That might help you because then you're less forceful with it. It's more like you're letting the car kind of do the work, which is what you want to do. Like you want to get to the point where you initiate, you tip the car in, and then you're literally just guiding it. Like it's basically steering itself. you're going pretty wide. Yeah. Which is usually like more throttle, and then it'll like kind of push you out. Just back off the throttle a little bit, box it a little bit more, tighten up the wheel. Okay. Try and like start wide and then bring it in tight, and then go out wide again all the way. That'll get you used to the like positioning of the car in and out. That's a really good drill. Just practice. Try that.
Told me you didn't know it's the blue seat with the Mustang wheels in the back.
Alright guys, I just left Summit Point. They still have one more session of track time. Nick really starting to get the hang of it there at the end. I'm hoping his last session there he can nail down the figure eights. He looked really comfortable with the donuts though. Both directions he looked good. So just linking those together in the transition. Not that I know anything about drifting. Super happy for him. Looked like he was having a lot of fun. He has a few things, and I'll let him talk about a few things he needs to sort out with tire size. His angle kit maybe needs a little bit of adjusting, and then maybe a good alignment. But watch out for the next video. I'll probably have him talk a little bit more about that, what he needs to get done there. If you watched this far, thank you. It was just a bunch of videos of Nick drifting, and that was the plan. So Hope you guys enjoyed and have a good day.